Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best MIDI drum pad controllers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Akai Professional MPK Mini 3 Malawian Kwacha's MIDI drum pads controller. You won't find a better digital controller than this professional mini model controller on the market, whether you're just starting or are an experienced musician. Moreover, the device comes with a wide variety of voice commands and a library of sounds from many genres and is the overall best mini drum pad on our list. We found that in addition to hundreds of virtual instruments, it also includes over 1,500 different sound effects. Moreover, it also has 8 illuminated, velocity-sensitive pads, and it works with the standard MPC layout. With this, you'll have unprecedented power over your digital audio workstation, DAW, or synthesizer software, whether you're looking to play drums, trigger samples on demand, or do anything else. The OLED screen is a particularly eye-catching new feature. Despite not showing the data produced by the keyboard, this little panel is quite helpful for real-time feedback on controller data, MIDI channels, arpeggiator settings, and more. Additionally, we did not find it lacking when we put it through various tests. Number 2. Our second best pick is Akai Professional MPD 218 MIDI controller with drum pads. This is for DJs, producers, programmers, and artists. Its use of MPC controls and technology, together with a USB connection, mimics the process of making beats old-fashioned in computer music creation. We discovered that while keeping the original's velocity-sensitive feel and dynamics, this one adds 16 new thick fat MPC-style drum trigger pads with LED backlight feedback. The MPD 218 has 48 assignable pads over 3 pad panks, allowing you to map a wide variety of virtual sounds to them for use in live performance or a digital audio workstation, DAW. We found the pads are large and cushiony. The rotary knobs feel solid in your hands. If you twist them firmly enough, they will provide sufficient resistance. The sleek black body with a flash of red is a terrific design choice. The lighted pads seem appropriately futuristic when switched on in the dark. Number 3. Our third best pick is Korg Nano PAD2 Slimline USB MIDI pads. This MIDI pads efficiently uses your precious studio space while being portable enough to accompany you on any creative excursion at a price point you cannot beat. We found that this one is a small USB MIDI controller with 16 responsive pads and an XY touchpad, making it ideal for musicians on the go. To produce ultra-realistic drum parts and patterns in any virtual instrument, a digital audio workstation, plug-in effect, or digital jukebox, you can tap into your percussion performances while preserving their dynamic feel. Its 16 velocity-sensitive pads respond well to your fingers and accurately transmit the sensation of playing to your sequencer or digital audio workstation, giving your drum parts a genuine sense of energy. You can try out the 64 possible pad configurations by navigating the 4 scenarios. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Akai Professional Fire MIDI controller. This is a powerful device. It's a stunning sight to see. It would be an enormous understatement to say that the red lines provide an amazing, graceful touch to the black finish, which brings out the best in the RGB pads. It is probably one of the best MIDI pad controllers available and is worth every penny. We found that it's constructed from sturdy materials, so it should last you a long time with regular upkeep, of course. The fact that the Akai Professional Fire is preloaded with so many high-end extras is only one of the reasons why it is the controller of choice for so many experts. The main characteristics of this studio controller are the MIDI controller, the vivid OLED display, and the accompanying software. This controller has 4 rotary knobs that you may program for different functions. Their defaults control the volume, pan, filter/EQ, and resonance. This knob is fully adjustable and may be set to your specifications. Performance-wise, Akai's Professional Fire is very versatile. You can use it for anything from fooling around with your first tunes to performing as a professional DJ at the fanciest events. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Presonus Atom Production and Performance MIDI Pad Controller. This MIDI pad controller is your reliable sidekick in a live or studio setting. It's worth noting right off the bat that it is for use with Studio One, which is multi-purpose, meaning you may use it in the studio, on stage, or in a live setting. Let us tell you about some of its features. There are 16 pressure and velocity-sensitive pads, which you can utilize inside 8 pad banks that you can swap mid-song. You can attach a drum rack to a pad bank and swap mid-songs if necessary. There are 20 assignable buttons in Studio One, however, you may configure them to control various things in other apps. The pads can be programmed to play loops, allowing you to create a whole soundscape and mix a track without pulling out your laptop. It is useful for both live performances and MIDI recordings. Additionally, for rotating knobs may be programmed to control variables in your DAW or virtual instruments. They won't be an automated setting, so be prepared to map. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.